Welcome to Why You Need a Writing Workshop at the American Writers Museum. Gary Cranston of the American Writers Museum is hosting the off-campus Writers Workshop panel. Left to right is Della Levitt, Sarah Schwartz, Ronit Bazala, Tom Sundell. Enjoy!
Historical writer currently revising Beyond Maxwell Street with support from the Newberry Library and the City of Chicago's Department of Cultural Affairs and Special. She's a multi-genre writer who served as a former teacher and principal at Chicago Public Schools. Her most recent work, a middle grade novel called Game Over, Shrink Withers? Yeah. Game Over, Shrink Withers. So, welcome to our panel.